Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. I'm here in Lulu. I need to buy something ready to cook today. Yeah. I need to buy toothpaste also. Toothpaste yun. There. I can have toothpaste in here. And drop. So I'm planning to drop the empty bottle in a sparkling machine, but the machine is already full because the person ahead from me is putting 500 into bottle. I'm waiting for long but not yet. The machine will stop because it's already full. The machine, you need to change the plastic. Toothpaste, kids toothpaste. I need kids toothpaste. Kids toothpaste. Kids toothpaste.